this is what I have to do. I have to deal with spinny boys everywhere. And it's like, Julian 2. No, let me get this up. Julian 2. Why do you make one for every single season? Like, I mean, come on. Don't be doing this, and oh my god. I wish that was actually how she spelled her name. But this is my idol right here. What? My idol. So sad. What do you have? She looks rare, so I decided to check because when do things die old? Probably nothing. When your head's laying next to my boy, am I singing a beautiful tone? I don't know why, but the camera picks up like weird sounds from my voice, so it sounds like I'm not even my real voice. It makes me go higher. So quieter. What are you singing now? Boys and sun, we learned today. You're the fire and the flow. I am out of this server. I'm going to my den. I caught a scammer today. That's what I wanted to talk about, not spinny boys. Wait. Not spinny boys. I don't want to talk about spinny boys or song. I spelled that wrong. Songs. Wait, oh, that's an actual username. Wait, what about songs? That is an actual player. What about beta player 49? Oh wait, haha. Gotcha on that one, didn't I? I cannot type today, like, no. Car Dreamer 10. Wait, I never buddied her. What does our den look like? You know what? I'm going onto one of my friends. It says that, but she said she got hacked recently. I don't know why. But guys, I caught us getting off track here. So oh crap, it's 9:30. So I wanted to explain that I caught a scammer, and I'm going to be uploading that video later today or tomorrow. I'm definitely uploading it, and probably in the next video after that, I'm gonna talk about safety or something, and I'm going to be doing more with this camera because it's just better so you can hear my voice, so I don't have to type like this because it gets annoying. Am I right? Air. Wait, that's what it's spelled. Great. Anyways, just be safe, everyone, and stay glitchy, I guess, because I'm boring it and don't have my own catchphrase, and I don't even have my own intro music. But I'm pretty sure that can be saved through the power of the internet. I actually searched that up. So this is what it gives me. Okay. Well, anyways, guys, I'm going to end this video here, and wow, okay. I feel really bad for the people who got scammed today. I'm just going to tell you who scammed people. Wow, that's say it. Yes, okay. Oh no, my battery's running low. Okay, so this is the guy who scammed people. And don't buddy him. I'm just going to try to buddy him. Why does he do this? Why? Okay, I'll go. I'm going to his den. Does it let me? It let you. Hey, scammer. Hey, scammer. I caught that on camera. Prepare for hate. Prepare for hate. I got it on camera. I caught it on camera. Oh my god, I caught it on camera. I'll post it tonight or tomorrow if I'm lucky. I traded it. Who they scam and how? He was doing a giveaway. Anyways, guys, I am going to end that video here. And yeah.